Hi friends, welcome to the Balloon Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025. We have got a very, very, very special treat today. It is the Horten Flying Wing, and folks, I am just ecstatic about this. I've always thought this is one of the most unique of the aircraft that the Germans came out with during World War II. All I can say is thank goodness they never actually put it into the war. What's really interesting is you've got the Horten right here, and I'm going to pan to the left for a second, folks. To the immediate left, you've got the B-2 right there, folks, to have two iconic aircraft, one of which influenced the other, being the Horten influenced the B-2, to have two iconic aircraft at the same meet, at the same time, on the same line. Folks, you would have a better chance of dating two supermodel twins. But would you really want to do that? Because, well, you're going to need twice the Viagra. I'd prefer looking at this airplane instead. Anyway, folks, sit back, relax, put your smiles on, because, hey, what else are you going to do? And enjoy the flight. Folks, you might be seeing the clear tubes out the back. So the Horten did not have split rudders. And without some type of vertical stabilization, a wing can be very unstable in flight. That's why if you saw the video on the channel from today of the B-2, and I was pointing out the split rudders, those drag rudders, they in essence act like vertical stabilizers. By extending those clear tubes out the back, it dramatically improves the stability in terms of yaw. So he doesn't need the split rudders. He just needs to make sure that the thrust extends aft, as far aft as possible. This plane is not for the faint at heart, folks. When you're flying something like this, you really need to make sure you've got flying skills under your belt there. I'm not sure where he's going. It seems to be going left. Oh, okay. Oh, might be having a steering problem there. Oh, having some issues there. Stay with us, folks. Don't go anywhere. Having some turning issues. Folks, bear with me one second. I'm going to pause for a second. I just need to reposition the camera. We'll be right back. Stay with us. All right, folks, we're back. He's working his way back here. He's going to try it again, see if we got some kind of steering issue going on. Hopefully we got this resolved, but we'll find out in a little bit. I think he's going to just try to reposition on the runway. Hopefully everything goes well. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh! Yep. Get a little bit of wind under that wing and you're gonna cartwheel all day long, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, such a shame. Really hoping to see that, but we'll try it again. Maybe he'll give it a shot. That is the tricky thing with flying a wing. You gotta make sure you're straight. If you got a crosswind, there's always that risk of that wind getting under that wing and taking it over like you saw it there. Fantastic. I love it. Even if it's not flying, it's just so cool to look at. There's no two ways around it. It really is just very, very cool. All right, friends. If he goes back up, we'll come back and we'll try again. All right, friends, more to come. All right, friends, 3 times is the charm. 3 times is the charm. Let's see what happens. Hopefully, let's cross our fingers and hope for success. Oh, right out of the gate. There you go. Hey, he's up. All right. Wonderful.
What math did you take? 3 out of 10. You mount multiplication, yeah? Comfortable with it? So. I'm trying to think of what I'm going to use. Let's say I want to lift something up, right? A long lever is good. Basically, by putting the right one over, I can use smaller I always try to go for small batteries so I can get away with it.
Whoop, whoop, bit of a bounce there, folks. Oh, good. Yeah, there you go. There you go. That's Horten butter right there, folks. Horten butter with a bounce. What a special treat this is, folks. Absolute special treat to have this thing. Goodness gracious. And he's going out to get it. Fantastic. Wonderful aircraft. Really nice. Just great. Real special thing to have it here at Joe Nall and to be able to see it alongside the B2. Fantastic. He's going to taxi it back. You see the fans in there. Really cool. Very cool. All right, friends. More to come.